Hello, everybody. How are you doing? It's me, Mourad Sultan Ezouidi, the pioneers in mathematics. Now I was live in the stream, but was disconnected. I will check on my YouTube channel. Okay. So, so my kids, we thought that I will share first this one. I will share in Facebook first. Then we'll start. Okay. Hello, me. Hello, 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 me on my channel. On my channel. On my channel. Okay, YouTube. Next, share with us. Share your pages. Okay, share and share it here first. So, my kids, give me just one moment. I'm going to start. Okay, okay. Okay. How it comes here, my kids? Okay. Okay, now my kids, we thought that I'm going to solve a 10th degree from the equation. Let's start from the beginning. Okay, you can see this is going to the power 10. P of x equal x raised to the power 10 minus 10x raised to the power 9 plus 45x raised to the power 8 minus 120 minus 120 minus 120 x raised to the power 7. Okay, x raised to the power 7. Why did it go? Okay, folks. Yeah, sure. I'll check first my kids if I'm live or not. Then I'm okay. Yes, okay. I'm live now. Okay. Yes, okay. I'm live now. I'm live. Okay. Yes, now this. I'm live now. I'm live. Okay, so we told my kids, my professors, and my colleagues, and my teachers that here we will get that in this example we have a 10th degree polynomial equation. This 10th degree polynomial equation has to be solved by Mr. Ezouidi using his theorem. Okay, we start with all that. P of x equal x raised to the power 10 minus 10 times x raised to the power 9 plus 45 x raised to the power 8 minus 120 x raised to the power 7 plus 210 x raised to the power 6 minus 200 x raised to the power 5 minus 50 x raised to the power 4 plus 400 x raised to the power 3 minus 475 x squared plus 250 plus 30 equals 0. Therefore, I will use my standard form for any form to the power n. For example, here n is 10, I should be written as that, okay? P of x equal x raised to the power 10 minus L0 of ODQ x raised to the power 9 plus L1 of ODQ x to the power 8 minus L2 of ODQ x and x7 and plus L3 of ODQ x raised to the power 6 minus L4 of ODQ x raised to the power 5 plus L5 of ODQ x raised to the power 4 minus L6 of ODQ x cubed plus L7 of ODQ x squared minus L8 of ODQ x raised to the power 1 plus L9 of ODQ equals 0. Now it's clear that it's going to the power. Then I'm going to use all these coefficients and I use the decimal formula of Mr. Mourad Sultan Ezouidi and we'll calculate S minus 1, S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7, S8, and S9. Then we are going to rewrite again our new 10-degree formula. So this is just calculation. S minus 1 is by convention is combination n through 0 is 1. Also n minus 1 is by convention is n to 0 is 1. Now I'm going to find S0. S0, my kids, just calculation. It will be combination 10 choose 1 multiplied by negative sign plus multiplied by 10 plus 10 times 10. So this one will be negative 100 plus 100. Okay, it's going to be 0. I will calculate now S2, S1, sorry. So S1 learners, just calculation, we will make negative 10 choose 2, which is 45, means negative 45 plus 45 equals 0. Why? Because 10 squared is a common factor in both terms. Now I will continue. I will try to find S2. To find S2, just substitute K equal 3 in the decimal formula of me, and then use your own calculator. After focusing or reaching the general formula that had been written in its lowest form, this one, 2 combination n choose 3, L0 for the Q cubed minus combination n minus 6 choose 1, n squared times L1, L0 for the Q raised to the power 1 times L1 for the Q plus n cubed times L2. Just calculation purpose, calculate this, you will get the value of this is going to be equal to 0. If you want to calculate this, I will do this for you. Calculation, where is my calculation? Okay. So we told I will start from this 2 times what? 10 choose 3. 10 choose 3. This is 1, 2, 3 is multiplied by 100. 2 multiplied by 120. Okay, so 10 cubed no need to write because this is also 10 cubed. This is also 10 cubed. It's up here, it's clear that it's common factor. So just write minus 8 multiplied by 45. Multiplied by 45. Then plus 120. Plus 8 makes 6. So I'll just repeat again. We told 2 times 2 times, this is 10 choose 1, 10 choose 2, 10 choose 3. Okay, 3. So it will be 120 times 120. Then minus 8. Minus 8 multiplied by 45. By 45. Then plus 120. So this one, my kids, is going to be equal to 0. Therefore, I will now go where I am here. Now I'm going to find what? Find the S3. To find S3, my kids, just put K equal 4 in the decimal formula of the Tunisian mathematical teacher Mourad Sultan Ezouidi. And then after, let's say, having or writing the formula in its simplest form, obtain in its simplest form, just make substitution and you will calculate this one. S3 is going to be negative combination 3 choose 1, combination 10 choose 4, 10 raised to the power 4 plus combination 8 choose 2, 10 squared times 10 squared times 45 minus 7 choose 1 times 10 cubic times 10 times 120 plus 10 raised to the power 4 times 210. You see, 10 raised to the power 4 is a common factor. So ignore the 10s with their indices, okay? Means no need to write them, put as a common factor, and then calculate it. So it's clear. Simplify the calculation for you, learners. I would just write negative 3 multiply by what? Multiply by 10 choose 4 means 220, 210, sorry. 10 choose 1, 10 choose 2, 10 choose 3, 10 choose 4. Plus 8 choose 2. 8 choose 2 is 28. Plus 28. Multiply by 44, by 45. 45. Then minus 7 multiplied by 120. Minus 7 multiplied by 120. Plus 210. Plus 210. So this one, my kids, is equal to me. You see? Now my kids and my professors and colleagues and teachers and those who have smart mind, it's a chance and occasion for you to practice or to apply this discrete formula, and you will get ready, okay, to catch the exact roots and to put the exact roots in front of your heads, in front of your eyes, okay? Meaning there is no approaches, there is no error of estimation, there is no here in this example, we will never use the method, the approximation method that will approach the roots, but they are not, let's say, the exact roots for this, for that polynomial I work with. Okay. Now I'm looking for to find the score. I should substitute k equal 5 in this formula, and I will obtain the last one as 4 into combination 4 to 1 times combination n to 5 times 0 for to the power 5 minus what? Mhm, minus combination n minus 2 to 3 and square at 0.42 cubic times at 1 plus combination n minus 3 to 2 and raised to the power 3 times at 0.42 square times at minus combination n minus 4 to 1 n raised to the power 4 and 0.42 raised to the power 1 times n 3 plus n raised to the power 5 times n 4. This formula will give you the sixth coefficient, okay, 4 plus 6. The sixth coefficient of these whole to the power 10. Then you will use the coefficient. I will just use my calculation. This is my calculation. Okay, I will put this up so that you can see the coefficient. Okay, you see, negative 4 times 10 choose 5. 10 choose 5. Then they what? 2, 3, 4, 5. 252. Means 4 times 252. 4 multiplied by 252. Correct. Minus 8 choose 3. 8 choose 3 is 56. Minus 56. Multiply by 45. Multiply by 45. Plus 7 choose 2 is 21. Plus 21. Multiply by 120. Okay. Minus 6 multiplied by 210. Minus 6 multiplied by 210. Plus 200. Plus 200. Plus 200. This one, my kids, is going to be equal to negative 52. Multiply by 10 raised to the power 5. Multiply this by 10 raised to the power 5. To the power 5. So this one equal negative 5,200,000. 5,200,000. So this is negative. Okay, negative. This one is going to be okay. We continue now. We proceed. I want to find S6. To find S5, we should put k equal 6 in this form of Sultan Ezouidi. And after simplifying and write your formula in its lowest term, you will get this one, the last one. Now we'll substitute the value of L0, L1, L2, L3, L4, and L5 in this formula. Okay, I already substituted here in the grade 5. So I will calculate this, kids. You see 10 raised to the power 6 here. Here 10 squared times 10 raised to the power 4 is 10 raised to the power 6. Also this one is 10 raised to the power 6. This is 10 raised to the power 6. This is 10 raised to the power 1 times 10 raised to the power 5 is 10 raised to the power 6. This one is 10 raised to the power 6. You see that 10 raised to the power 6 is a common factor. So just calculate the terms in front of the 10 powers. Okay? I will use my calculator. Immediately, I will erase everything. I will start. Negative 5 multiplied by 10 to 6. This is 10 to what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 210. 210. Then 8 choose 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 70. Then plus 70. 70, sorry, 70 plus 70, sorry, I will repeat it. So it will be negative 5 multiplied by 10 to 6. 1, 10 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 210. Plus 8 choose 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 70. Plus 70 multiplied by 45. 45. Then minus 7 choose 3 is 35. 1, 2, 3. So minus 35 multiplied by 120. Multiplied by 120. Okay. Plus 6 choose 2. This is 6 choose 1. 6 choose 2 is 15. Okay. So we got minus 35 times 120 plus 15. Plus 15. Times what? Times 210. Times 210. Then minus 5 times 200. Minus 5 multiplied by 200. Okay. Then minus 50. Minus 50. So this one, my kids, is equal to 0. 0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6 is 0. Okay. We continue. And to get a 6 learners, you should put k equals 7 in this formula of Mr. Mourad Sultan Ezouidi. Then the value of S6 will be in front of your calculation. So we just focus on the last formula with this one, okay? But that helps you to give you the eighth coefficient of your 10 degree equation in general, okay? And you will use the coefficient from L0 up to L6, okay? From 10, then up 45, then 120, then 210, then 200, then negative 50, then negative 400, okay? I will make substitution for the last formula. This one is the same as that, but we make substitution. You see, 6, 1, 6, 1. 7, 6, sorry, this is, of course, is 10. I will clarify this. This is 10. Okay. Okay. 10, then 5. 10 minus 2 is 8. Is 8. Then n squared. N squared, correct, 5. But then we have 4 n minus 3 minus 7 here. Then this is 7. Then this one it will be 3, 6. Then this one could be 2, 3. 2, 3. Then this one, 1, 2. Okay. So this is the formula. I will check. So what is yes, 6. Okay. C1, okay. 5, 8. 10, 4, 7, correct? This is 4, 7, this is 4, 7. Okay. 3, 6, this is 3, 6. 2, 3, this is 2, 3. Then 2, 3. 2, 3, 2, 3. Just a moment, I'll check this one. C3, C1, where is C1? I didn't write it. Okay, C1, C2. Okay, here. I'll check again. We have 6, 1, 6, 1. 10, 7, 10, 7. 8, 5, 7, 4. 63, 63. This one is 63. Okay, this is 5. This is 5. This is, what is it? 63. This is 5, 2. Okay, 5, 2. This is, yes, this is 4, 1. Correct. 4, 1. Yes, correct for me. Let's check here. So we have 6, 1, 6, 1. 10, 7. Correct. 8, 5. Correct. 4, 7. Correct. 6, 3. Correct. 5, 2. Correct. And then this one is 4, 1. It was here, it was correct, but I changed it to the no one. Okay. This is for my kids. Huh? Okay. So I will calculate now. I will use my own calculator. 10 raised to the power 7. Ignore this step because it's a common factor. I'll just write 6. Multiply by what, my kids? Multiply by 10 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Multiply by 120. Multiply by 120. Then minus 8 choose 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 56. Minus 56. Multiply by 45. Then plus 4, 7 choose 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus plus 35 minus 120 minus 120 here. Then, okay, minus 6 choose 3. This is 1, 2, 3, means negative 20. Negative 20 multiplied by 210, I think. Yes, multiplied by 210 plus 10 multiplied by 200 multiplied by 200 minus 4 multiply Mr. Mourad is multiply by negative 50 negative 50, yes, negative is minus 400 minus 400 multiply by 10 raised to the power 7. No change, nothing will change. We get the value of and off. Okay, now we move to the next part. I want to find S7, my kids. To find S7, you should go to the decimal formula of Mr. Mourad Sultan, the big green one, and substitute k equal 8. Then you will come to write your equation in its simplest form. The simplest form is the last one. S7 equal negative combination 7 choose 1. Okay, this is of course 9 because the highest power is 9. Okay, let's see, it's 10, sorry. Okay, this is 8. Okay, so I'll just check. Yes, that is, this is 7. Okay, that is, this is my kids is 6. Now do this one. Okay, we have 8, so 8, correct. Negative 6 n minus 2. Yes, 6, 8, correct. Because n minus 2. Okay, 6 n minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. N squared and 0, 6. Correct. Again, we have n minus 3 is 7. N minus 3 is 7. So 5, 7, 5. But after that, we have combination n minus 4 choose 4. The n is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6, 4. Correct. Okay. Then n minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. What is it? This is, it will be 3, 5. Yes. 3, 5. Okay. Then this is 4. And this is 3. Yes. The next term is 3. Now this is the formula. You see? Okay. Will you use this formula, my kids? Okay, let's check. It is the same. 7, 1, 7, 1. 10, 8, correct. Then 8, 6, 8, 6 here, correct. Then 7, 5, this is 7, 5. Then 6, 4, this is 6, 4. Then 5, 3, this is 5, 3. Then 4, 2, this is 4, 2. And the last 3, 1, yes, okay. So I will use my calculator for this, and you should find that the value of this is going to be equal to 0. It will be negative 7 multiplied by 10 choose 8. 10 choose 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 45. Multiply by 45. Okay. Minus we did plus what? Plus 8 choose 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus plus 28. Multiply by 45 because L1 is 45. And ignore 10 raised to the power 6 because it's a comma factor. 10 raised to the power 8 is a comma factor. Okay. Minus 7 choose 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 21. Multiply by 120. Multiply by 120. Plus 6 choose 4. You see, this is 6 choose 1. 6 choose 2. 6 choose 3. 6 choose 4. Minus plus 15. Plus 15. Times 210. Times 210. You see, minus 5 choose 3 is 10. Minus 10. Multiply by 200. You can write 2000. Okay. Then minus 4 choose 2 is 6. Multiply by 50. By minus 50. Minus because it is minus. That's why we wrote minus. Minus 6 multiply by 50. And because positive by negative is negative. Then minus multiply by minus is positive. 3 by 400 plus 1200 plus 1200 minus 475. 475. So this one is what, my kids, is in fact a noun. Okay. We continue. I want to find S8. It remains only 3 coefficients, and we will write our new calculator. It's a great work. Okay. Literally, it's something abnormal. Okay. So to find the S8 learners, you should put K equal minus this formula of Mr. Mourad. Okay, let's do it. This one S8 equal combination A to what? Times combination N choose 9 times L0 for Q raised to the power 8. Okay, 9, where is 9? Okay, this is 9, of course. This is 9. 9. Okay. Then, because this is okay common factor, so it would be raised to the power 9 here. 8. L0 for the q raised to the power 8 times L0 for q raised to the power 1. So this one is common factor, which is equal to L0 for the q raised to the power 9. That's why here. Okay. Then minus N minus 2, choose 2. Okay, 7. N minus 3, 6. N minus 4, 5. N minus 4, 5, correct? Okay, so this is the formula. I will now apply this formula. This is, yes, this one is the same as that. So collect it down, but it will go through. So Now I will calculate this. As 8, okay, see 8, 1, 10, 9. And 0 raised to the power 9, okay? 8, 7, okay, 10 minus 2 is 8. 7, it's certainly. Add the squared, and 0 raised to the power 7, right? 45. Okay, I will calculate this one. So I will use my calculator. You can see my kids 10 raised to the power 9 is a common factor in all the terms to find S7. So put it outside or it cancels this. If you find a value different to 0, you should multiply. If you get 0, no need to continue. Okay. So just write 8 times 10 means 80. Then minus 8 times 45. 8 times 45. 45. Then my kid is plus 7 times 120. Plus 7 times 120. 120. Okay. Minus 6 times 210. Minus 6 times 210. Okay. Plus 5 times 200 means 1000. Plus 1000. Minus multiplied by minus is positive. 4 multiplied by 50 is plus 200. Then negative by positive is negative. I will make minus. Minus 1200 because 400 multiplied by 2. Then 2 minus 2 minus by positive is minus by negative is positive. You see? So this one it will be 950. Will be plus 2 made multiplied by 475 minus 250 minus 250. This one is equal now. Okay. It remains now, my kids, only the last term for k equal 10 because the highest power is 10. So I can substitute this or replace k with 10 with this formula of the Canadian mathematical researcher Mourad Sultan Ezouidi. Then you will get the value of S9. Okay, the last question. Okay. I will now apply this formula. I will replace this one. It will be, of course, is S9, not S10, Mr. Mourad. This is for 11. S9. What is it? This is S9 equal, because when 10, k equal 10, 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, from 0, okay, all of these are correct. Okay, I will now focus on the last term. Thus, it will be my kids. I will use the last formula S9 equal, of course, this is S9. Or is it? This is S9, Mourad. So I'm not now working with grade with n equal 11 with 11 degree from equation with 10. Okay. So this is also I'm going to try to change because this is S9, not S10. Okay, this is S9, my kids. Sorry for this. This is 9. Okay, because k minus 1, k is 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So I will apply this formula and I should calculate it. You see this one? 10 raised to the power 10. You see the last one? How many zero? 1, 2, 2, sorry, again. 1, 2, 3, minus 100 million. 100,000 million. I can write 10 raised to the power 10. Okay? This value. I will calculate. So now I will ignore first. I will ignore 10 raised to the power 10 because it's common factor. I will just calculate the coefficient. Then after that, I will multiply by 10 to the power 10 to get this one. Okay. This is negative 8 multiplied by 10 is 80. Negative 80 plus 45 plus 45 minus 120 plus 210 plus 210 minus 200, then minus 50, then plus 400, plus 400, then minus 475, then minus multiplied by minus is what? Plus 250. Okay, plus 30, plus 30. This one is equal, sorry, mental space. Okay, no problem, now do. Negative 80 plus 45 minus 120 minus 120 plus 210 minus 200 minus 50 plus 400 minus 475 plus 250 plus 30 plus 30. Okay, this one is equal to 170. Are you sure? Okay. Count your ankle. AI is interfering. Okay. Count your ankle and calculate it. Look, this is negative 8 times 10. I will write negative 8 times 10. Okay. Plus 45 plus 45 minus 120 plus 210 minus 200, then minus 50, then plus 400 plus 400 minus 475 plus 250 plus 30 plus 30. You see? It's me, Mourad. So it's 10, صح? Multiply by the common factor. 10 raised to the power, multiply by 10 raised to the power, come to the power 10. So this one is in fact equal. Okay, we told how many zero here? We told 100,000, 100,000 million. Okay, 100,000 million. This is 100,000 million. Now I finish it. I calculate at this level. I calculated, let's say, the I calculate this. Okay, I'll come just for a moment, my kids. Be kind. Now I'll move to this one, Facebook. I was live in the stream, but the stream was disconnected. I don't know why. By the way, I'm here. Mr. Mourad is always here. Okay, that isn't fun. Okay, no problem. I'll do it again. Mr. Mourad. Okay, it comes now. You see the example. The This one, the example. This one. This is going without what I should solve by seeing the behavior of the given tenth from the equation, then start solving it and find exactly ID. Apply Mourad Ezouidi theorem between imperative discipline formula. Wait for the Tunisian mathematical research as soon as the live. I was live in the stream, okay, but it was disconnected. Okay, so now I will continue, my kids. Now I will summarize this one. So this one is 10 raised to the power 11, isn't it? Okay, 10 raised to the power 11. I will get this number. What is it? What is it? I need S, what is it? S4, isn't it? I'm looking for S4. This is S4. The value of S4 is that. I will take it because I need it. Okay. Before I take this, please, I'm going to calculate this again. Okay. In front of you. So we told I put this here. Okay, no problem. Coming down. Okay, like that. Let's calculate this first. Up with Mourad. Okay. What do we have here, my kids? We have 4, choose 10, 5. I will make 4 first. Multiply. Multiply 10, choose 5. 10, choose 5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 252. Okay. Then minus 8 choose 3. 8 choose 3. 1, 2, 3. Means minus 56. Minus 56. Minus 45. Minus 45. Okay. Then plus 7 choose 2 is 21. Plus 21. Wow, 21 is 21. Okay, plus 0. Okay, plus now. Okay, plus 21, isn't it? Okay, 21 plus 21 multiply by 120. Multiply 120. Then minus 6 times 210. Minus 6 multiply by 210. Okay. Then like that. Okay. We finish this. Then the plus 200. Plus 200. So this one is equal to negative 52. Multiply by 10 raised to the power 5. Multiply by 10 raised to the power 5. So this one is equal 5 negative 5 million and 200,000. Okay, I will take this value because I need this. I need okay. Now, so we told that the value of S4 is negative 5 million and 200,000. But S9 is equal, I thought, 10 raised to the power 11. Now I will go to write my polynomial algebra. Okay, where is my polynomial? Okay, so this one. So we have S0 equal, S2 equal, all of this is going to be equal 0. Okay, S4 also, S4 now is different to 0, is 10 equal 10 raised to the power equation, raised to the power 11. 10 raised to the power 11. 10 raised to the power 11. Sorry. Okay, don't hit 10 here. Okay. Then, and S8, I need now S9 and S4. No, not S4, I just said. Okay. This, which is equal negative. Okay. And S10 is that. Copy here. S9 is equal to this. I'll change this with S9. Okay, copy. Again. Okay, بالنسبة ل S8 is going to be equal to 0. Equal 0. بالنسبة ل S9 is going to be 10 raised to the power S9. Okay. So I'll focus on this only. Okay. So now I will write X10 minus S0 X9 plus minus, okay, plus S1 X raised to the power 8, then minus S2 X7, then plus S3 X6, then minus S4 X5, then plus S3 S4, okay, then minus S6 S3, okay, then plus S7 X2, I need this first, okay, nothing, X2, and minus S8 minus S8X plus S9. S9, this is S9. Okay. You can see that S9 is different to zero. S4 is different to zero. Therefore, all of this will be cancelled. I will obtain according to the power 10 when all the terms are equal 0 except S4 and S9. I'll make now I'm solving it on live. Okay, I'm solving this example live. I didn't prepare before. So means S0, S1, S2, S3, S5, S6, S7, S8 all equal 0 except this Leo S4, okay, S4 and S9, S9. Okay, so but this one, where is this? What is this? Okay, I will write my equation now. So this one comes like that. Okay, of course there is minus S4. And, okay, okay, plus S plus. Okay, minus. So this is cancel. S6 is 0. So go back, go back, go back. Okay, I will take this because maybe it will be corrected by mistake. What is this? Right? S4 now. I will write that again, again, again. Okay, I will start for this. I need S4, this right line. I need it. I copy. Now we cancel this. All of this I will cancel. Okay, then put this. So we have minus, yes, this one. Now let x equal, let x, let x square or x is to the power 5. Wait. Okay. Let x raised to the power 5 equal, for example, y. Okay, equal y. Then this implies that in the equation, this will imply that will give us, okay, will give us, okay, x10 means x squared. Okay, I'll copy here. This will give us uh, y squared minus s4 x only, okay, x only, plus s9 equals 0. Okay, so this one is quadratic equation. I'm going to solve this. Therefore, I will now write S1 for the cube equal, with this formula of Mr. Mourad Sultan Ezouidi will be applied. So S1 of order Q dash equal minus S1 squared. Okay, I will make squared. I will use this one. because this one now is S1 of order Q, S1 squared, and it will be S4, so S4 squared plus 4 times S9. This is the coded formula. Okay, plus, okay, let's calculate this. It will be equal. S, you can see that S4 is what? S4 is this. You see S4 like this. Top. Then come in here, this is called, I will erase. Okay, so I will write this as negative. So I will make x squared between parentheses. Okay, between parentheses first. Control V, square the number. Is to the power 2. Then plus 4 times 4 times. Okay, times what? Times my kid's 10 raised to the power 11. Times 10 raised to the power 11. Okay, times this. So let's calculate this one. I will make this one multiply. So I multiply by 1 first. Equal. Okay. Now I square this number first. Square this number raised to the power 2. So it will be okay. Then multiply by minus 1. Multiply by minus 1 because it's written as negative S1 of order Q, of course, order Q squared. Q, where is Q? No. Okay, this is equal. This one. Okay. Then we told multiply by minus 1, okay, plus 4 times 10 raised to the power 11 times 10 raised to the power 11. This one is equal, like this. So it's negative, isn't it? I will take this baby as it is. Okay. Comes here, Mr. Mourad. This one is equal. Like that. Inside, this is no need. Okay. Equal, in parentheses, equal negative 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 10. 10. I will write it as equal to 6, 6, 4 times 10 raised to the power times 10 raised to the power 10. Okay. 10 raised to the power 10, Mr. Mourad. Good math. Okay. This is 10 raised to the power 10. 10 raised to the power 10. Don't forget about negative. Therefore, this is S1 of order dash to dash. Now, I will write it down. I will write negative S1 of 42 dash equal this value equal 2646 times x raised to the power 10. Okay. Now I will use the formula. I will write now y equal. I will use y or something like that. Yes, I will use. Okay, equal. Therefore, I will write y. I will erase y. I will just write y equal 1 divided by 1. Okay, equal what? Equal, we call minus S4 means S4 only. A equal S4. S4. Plus negative. Plus negative what? Root of. Root, make root Mr. Mourad. Root of S1 of order 2 dash. S1 of order 2 dash. Of course negative. Okay. Divided by 2. This is the first root. Okay, the second one. So we have another. Then we continue. Okay. Now I will continue equal what? Just a moment. Go back. I will wait. Work. Okay. Okay, I will make a fresh like that. Refresh. Okay. I'll go back to lecture. We'll see. Wait until continue. Okay. I will wait for 1 minute, 2 minutes. Take your time, my kids. Okay. Researches. Return. Control S. So I will save this first. Okay, I will close this window. Then I will open again. Close. Close. Just stop. Close the program. Okay, I'm doing this. Now we continue, my kids. Okay, I will open again. Then we'll continue. I hope so that I will save it. Okay, close this, no need. version. This one. Okay, let's see. Where it should be. Okay, okay, good man. خلاص, I will close this one. Then I may save. Save please. Yes. Okay. Where should he is, isn't it? No, 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 no. No, thanks. Oh, there is stuff. Okay. No problem. No, I need refund. 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 Yes, this one. Okay, replace. Replace. Why doesn't work? Yeah. Desktop. Essentials. Desktop. Essentials. 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 This one. Okay. Save. Or cannot give a document the same name. It's the same document. Okay. Okay, I make the W. We can please Mourad Sultan Ezouidi على then I will go okay to say create first. Okay. Now I will continue my kids. Okay, sorry for this. Microsoft is not a good website. Not a good website. So I will continue with all that let x equal let y equal x raised to the power 5. Okay, right. Then I obtain n to the power 6. Okay. Therefore, this one has to be written as okay, x. This is x. Okay. I will erase this one. So we're going to do equal to 0 plus s5. Then minus plus yes plus s5. Then plus s5 raised to the power s4. Not, so minus minus s4 x raised to the power 5. We go back because there wasn't safe. Okay, this is minus. Of course, plus. Okay. Now with all that, I will suppose that x raised to the power 5 is 1. Therefore, this one has to be written as 1. It will be, therefore, this implies that okay, we call this one. So it means that p of x, x, okay, equal, of course here p of x raised to the power 5 equal x5. I'll make x between parentheses, close the parentheses, raise to the power 2. This is the mean that I need it. Then, okay, parentheses, x Now the parentheses, arrange this one, raise to the power 1. This is what I do. Now I'm going to change y with this. So it will be, this one will give you exactly no, 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 no. Check. So this, therefore, I will make therefore خلاص. Therefore, p of y, p of y equals y squared equal y squared. I take this, please. Okay. So this one is gonna be y, and this is y. Then this is y squared. Oh, okay. Now we solve this. Therefore, I will make S1 of order S1 of order Q dash or R. No, there is no difference in fact. I will make here, of course, here R dash or Q dash equal, between parentheses, negative S4 raised to the power 2. S4, what is this? This. Okay, we call negative S4 squared. This is raised to the power 2 plus 4 multiply plus 4 multiply by what? By S9. Multiply by S9. This is S9. Multiply by S9. Okay, I'll just ignore this step. Okay, so this is the formula matrix. So this one is equal. I will take this one as it is, then I should calculate this. So what is S4? S4 is that. Okay, S4 is negative 5 million and 200. What is it? When this one is negative with parentheses. Now the parentheses squared plus 4 times S9. S9 is 10 raised to the power 11. Okay, this one is equal. We told equal what, my kids? Equal this. Equal negative 2664, negative 2604 multiplied by 10 raised to the power, multiplied by 10 raised to the power 10. Okay. Okay. So this is S1 of the Q dash. Therefore, S1 minus S1 of order Q dash, my kids, has to be equal, or is negative sign, so minus, equal what? Equal 2604, 664, 10 raised to the power 10. I will write. Okay, now I will use y equal, therefore y is equal, y is equal, I'll make first 1 over 1, okay, then outcomes here I will write negative, what is here the formula, negative S4, this one, yes, negative S4, means S4. Negative negative is positive. Okay. Negative negative is positive. I will make, then I will erase the negative sign. Plus what? Plus negative, of course, now. Plus negative root of root of minus S1 of order 2 dash. Minus S1, this one. Where is minus S1? This one. Okay. This is the formula we use. Okay, divide by 2. Okay, this is the first thing. Now this one is equal, my kids. I will make change. Okay, meaning substitution. This one is equal. S4 is what? S4 is negative. Okay, I will take it as it is. Okay, I'll put here. Then a plus negative, what? Plus negative 2664, 10 raised to the power, 10 raised to the power, 10 raised to the power 10, divide by 2. Okay, 1, no, negative 1.7, again, like that. Okay, we reach here now. Okay, okay. I will take, I will try to take only this. No, I don't like it. Erase. Okay, I'll take this. Okay, okay, control. Okay, and now my kids, what will happen? If you want to simplify more, okay. So it will be 10 raised to the power 5. Okay, 664, 2664. I will calculate it. This one I will divide it by, so I will now need for this. I will make 2664. Divide by 4 first. Ignore the 2. Cancel the 2. Equal. Yes, 666. Okay. So this one is equal to that. Equal. Equal. We told I will make 2 here because 4 root of 4 is, so we make it multiply by 10 raised to the power 10 raised to the power 5. Root of 10 raised to the power 10 is 10 raised to the power 5. Okay, make 5 here. That's a good man. Then all divide by 2, it will be equal. I will make now 5, 2 divided. Calculate. Okay. Of course, this is 6, 6, 6. Okay. 6, 6, 6, 6. Now that. Okay. Now that. Okay. This is called 6, 6, isn't it? Double 3, 6. Okay. Then I will divide this by 2. It will be 28. So this one I will write like that. This one. Equal. First of all, I have this one. Spelling. Okay. Then coming here to make plus negative. Coming here now. We have this one divided 52, 5,200,000 divided by 4. Okay. Control V. Divide by 4. Equal. Okay. Equal negative 2,960,000. So this one I will make here minus. So these are the roots of y. Okay? So we can appear 10 raised to the power 5 as a common factor. Okay? I will write now this one. I will come here down. Okay. Equal. We told I will appear 10 raised to the power 5 as a common factor. This one is equal to this. Okay. This one it will be, I will make 10 raised to the power 5. Okay. As a common factor. I will check this. I will make open parenthesis. It will be negative 26 over negative 26. 26. Erase all of this. Plus, plus what? Plus negative root of 666. So this is the y. Now, I will go back because I put x raised to the power 5 equal, equal y. Okay? We used this before, you remember. Therefore, or, can say or, this equal that. Means now xk, means xk, I'll just, I'll just use. Therefore, x raised to the x subscript k, x subscript k, of course, k, belongs to what, my kids? Belongs to 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So equal what? Equal, my kids. Of course, you should put parentheses, negative and positive sign. Okay, we have two different things. So it will be xk equal 10 only. Multiply between parentheses. This one raised to the power to the power 1 over 5 exponential 2k I pi over 5. Okay. If you want to appear negative sign, okay. If you don't like, or I will do it as I will do it correctly as you want. So I'll make 10. I will appear the negative sign after. I will take one positive, then the next is negative. So it will be negative. First is to the power. Equals 31. Okay. So we told that open parentheses. We have negative 26 plus root of 666. 666. Okay. Comes here. Now the parentheses. Of course, 1/5. 1 divided by 5. Okay. Then multiply, my kids, by exponential, exponential, exponential 2k, 2k. Okay, let's say we first 2ki divided by 5. Then I'm going to give the pi here. This is the pi. Okay, this is the pi, my kids. Okay, this is the first. Okay. Now, the same here, I will take the next. Because one positive, one negative. Okay, 2k, 5. 5 is, okay, erase that. Is no need. Okay, so we didn't finish, my kids. It's very complex, this kind of example I'm working with. Okay, now x, of course, equal now minus. You see minus? I will put here minus. Now check. Root of 66 is what? 666. raised to the power 0.5. 0.5. Is it less or more than 25? So here it would be negative 25, meaning this is negative. Okay, is negative. Also, this one is negative. Okay, so therefore, I will appear the negative sign. Okay, and I will do it like that because root of 666 is 25.8 is less than negative 26. I want to appear a negative sign here, then I will make 2k plus 1. Okay, so it will be minus 30. Why does it not look like that? Here in the first, I'll make minus. This is, I'll make my kids come here. This is positive, this is negative. Okay, then I will make 2k plus 1. 2k, I will open parentheses here. 2k plus 1, no, the parentheses, 2k, so 2k plus 1, okay, times I5, divide by 5. This is the first rule, clear. The second rule, you can see also the difference here. It's the sum of two negative numbers, so it's negative. Therefore, I will appear here negative sign in the between, and this is positive, and the next is positive. Okay, positive. Then this is 2k plus 1 alpha. I will take this as it is. Okay. Okay. So these are the roots of my what? Of yes, of my limit to the power 5 that obtained from the S subscript k minus 1. Now we make conclusion. We reach to make conclusion now. So alpha, now just like this. Alpha, the roots now, my kids. I'll change this is by alpha. This is alpha. How can I have symbol of alpha? Is that alpha, alpha or beta? Okay, beta is equal from 1 to 4 equal what? The formula is L0 of O the Q, L0 of O the Q, means Mourad. Okay, I make divide by 2, then I will appear this the function. So this is L0 brackets, L0 of O the Q, L0 of order Q. So, okay, I will make big so that it will be clear. 16. Okay, it's good. So this is a Q. You see the mouse where is it exactly? Q. Okay. Plus X plus XK plus XK plus XK. Okay. 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 Plus XK divided by 10 because the highest power is 10. Okay. Or I'll make it all the same here. Okay. This is okay. This is X. I will suppose this is XK dash. Okay. This is XK dash to distinguish between this and that. So this is dash. Okay. Dash. Okay. Divide by 10. I will now calculate change what is given. Okay, like that. So it will be and 0. Okay, okay. Now we make a conclusion. It will be minus 10. I'll change this one by this is it will be 10 plus. Okay, make this divided by 10. You see 10. Sorry, minus. Okay, plus or minus is minus. 10 divided by 10 is 1. So this one is equal to 1 minus this. Equal, equal my kids, equal 1. 10 divided by 10 minus this one. Minus, this is the first one. The first fifth one. Okay. 1 minus 26 root of 666 raised to the power 1 over 5 exponential 2k plus 1 pi over 5. The next, it will be the same. It will be my kids is 10 and write 10. Then a plus, I will erase this one, no need. Plus what? Plus this. Okay. Plus, I come and get here, make plus, erase this plus. So you see, 10 divided by 10 is 1. Okay, so it will be equal 1 minus 1 minus 10. It will be cancelled. Okay, it will be 1 minus between characters 26 plus root of 666 exponential 1 over 5 raised to the power of 5 exponential k plus 1 over. Okay, so I wish that's clear for you, and let's see the solution regarding to the formula of Mr. Master. Now it must now appear this I will make bigger so that you can see there is one huge. Okay, okay. So these my kids, the roots of this one to the power 10. What do you think of the pioneers, the freedom of search and Ezouidi? Now let's check what, let's say, ChatGPT can say. Okay, we can solve it. Okay, outcome is here now. This is the pioneers and methods. Mr. Sultan is with you. Now I'm going to use this one, copy and complete. I will finish the question now. Okay, I will just make okay. Now outcomes here, my kids. And okay, first of all, I'll go ChatGPT. ChatGPT. Okay, so come on, ChatGPT. Can you solve this? Hey, solve this. Now stay like that. Let's him do what he wants to do. Okay, 10th. Okay, this is 10th degree polynomial equation. Solving a high degree polynomial equation like this can be complex and may require numerical method or specialized algorithm. Would you like to solve? Okay, yes, do it. I know that you can do it. You cannot, you aren't able to do it. Okay, factor, do whatever. You will never find any solution. Okay, خلاص, here's something. Seems like I can't do more. Okay, numerically solve the polynomial. If we can find rational roots easily, we can use numerical methods to find approximation, to find approximate roots. Now I want exact roots. I want exact roots. Okay. He will try. He will try. He will do his best. Numerical method, okay, and so on, but he stop it. Okay. Yeah, right. Make math. not waste Microsoft. Let's see Microsoft what we can do. Okay. Hi Microsoft. Take this chocolate. Okay, it's a chocolate. Do. It says regarding to the formula of Mourad Sultan video. It's an applicant for any individual equation. Enter. He will try. Okay. Good man. Good man. Good team. Very good. Very good. Okay, thank you. He just made graphics only. You see? He did nothing. Very thank you for that. He did nothing. He wrote my equation as that. I will tell him I want quizzes. Improvement to the power 10. Look, I will make now I wanted to make quizzes. Sorry, ops generating a quiz is not. You see, we aren't able we aren't able to generate a quiz based on this type of problem. Means that he can't solve it. Okay. Now my kids, I will go to make this one. Plus I finished with multiplier. What is it? You have two. Why two? Moral, this is no need. Wait, no need. Only this. Okay. Now we take the roots. I'll take the roots. This is x a 10th degree from the equation solved by Canadian mathematical teacher and researcher Mourad from Ezouidi. So this one are the roots. I will try to summarize this or write it in. Okay. First of all, I will take this. Control. Okay. 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 I will give him the roots. What they think. I will give it the roots. Okay. But no need. No need. Okay. Okay. So these are the roots. Thank you for listening, guys. Inshallah. Next time. See you and see you next time. Inshallah. Next time, maybe we are going to we will see how can we solve 11 degree from equation, but depends um, on how you get the point. Okay, because it's very hard, in fact. Okay, for calculation, but everything is okay. Apply the formula and do that. But for me to explain this, it depends time. Okay, thank you. This is the pioneers in method, Mr. Ezouidi. I wish that the method was okay for you. Okay, and for those who are interested for finding the roots exact roots. There is no error estimation. Where there is no error estimation, and also we never use the method of Newton. That will give us the same uh, mistakes. Okay, thank you, and goodbye. I will end this here.